Hi, I'm Marcy Klein from Klein Creative Media, and I want to introduce you to my passion project, 5 Fly Girls. It's a documentary about 5 ethnically diverse flight attendants going from the cabin to the cockpit to become pilots. Check out this 2-minute trailer.
I don't really think that there's ever been anything in my life that I've set my mind on that I haven't accomplished.
A flight attendant is a really fun job, but I wanted more than fun. I saw how the pilots were respected, and I really envied them.
Good enough is never good enough for me. Try to challenge myself.
Your mama's gonna be a pilot someday, Mama.
Why don't I try to become a pilot? I also want to do more.
The idea of a flight attendant choosing to go to flight school and learn to fly and to become a pilot 25 to 30 years ago, that would have been dismissed as just impossible. I've flown with about 1,000 different pilots, and I've seen 2 women.
Young women are not expected to be pilots.
Boys go and fly airplanes. They drive, fast cars. Girls just aren't encouraged to do something that, boys do.
You could say we're like aviation's 5 musketeers in a way.
Piper 43241 at the fuel pit with information X-ray taxi 29 right with run.
Walking down the concourse in my pilot uniform versus my flight attendant uniform will give me a feeling that I made it.
It's my dream of being a successful pilot.
By 2023, there'll be a 13,000 pilot shortage in America. So inspiring women to become pilots could be a big part of the solution. If you're like me and you love exploring the world by airplane, I hope you consider backing this project. It will take these ladies up to 5 years to get their pilot wings, and I plan to follow them through the entire process. So your funding will help pay for the cost of production. I'd like to thank the first group of supporters who backed the first campaign. With those funds, I was able to hire an attorney to work on the legal paperwork, buy the ladies lunch after some of the shoots, and pay my team back for some of their time in the field. With any new funding, I'd like to pay my crew without making them wait like I did before. And I'd also like to take each of these women to their home country of origin to explore how they had to break cultural norms to get to where they are today and where they plan to be in the next 5 years. Your generous participation in this film will make all of this possible. So I'd love to thank you in advance for your support.